Cooking with Flavio!
I am making egg waffles.
With?
I have no idea what that's called. Looks like a hill or a mountain.
A waffle iron.
Waffle.
So do you want to try and break an egg? We don't have many eggs.
Egg?
So you have to separate the white from the yolk. So I'll do the first one, okay? Get the hole there. Pull that like that. And only take the white out. Which is called?
Yeah.
No. And then you put
What
the
is
yellow in there. Okay, do you want to try one?
Maybe.
Bit harder, but not too hard.
What?
Flat. You need to put your fingers in there. Okay, this is going to be hard. Put your fingers in there. We'll do it together. Okay?
Come on, even if they get dirty, it doesn't matter.
This is going to be hard. If you mess this up and the yolk goes in, you have to throw it away. No, the yolk went in.
You can use that one too.
I can use the yolk.
Yeah?
But you can't use the egg white.
Why?
Because if you have a bit of yolk in the egg white won't whip.
Now? What do we need to do to make egg waffle? Hey, do you know?
We are putting a cup of sugar into the 3 egg yolks.
Yeah, and go and whisk it until it becomes a kind of, you know, like a chicken.
Oh my, this sure is a lot of sticky sugar or something.
Yeah, keep going. Gets a bit harder. Not that hard. Is that done?
It should be.
Okay, looks good.
No.
First of all, we need to put the butter in.
Oh, yeah.
Which is how much?
Wait, it's not to pieces. There's still a few bits.
No worries.
It'll be okay.
Okay.
Go for it.
Go around the table.
And then we put in some vanilla.
Vinegar?
Now you can use vanilla essence, but we are using, what are we using?
Ow.
An Italian thing, I don't have anything else, so it's a little bit of baking powder and a little bit vanilla. So we use this one instead of the baking powder.
Okay.
Obviously it's very well packed.
Okay. Are you going to open it? And if you can't open it, give it to your mummy.
Really snowy.
Well done.
butter vanilla eggs. La 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 la
Where's he going?
It's a parade of celebrating someone's making egg waffles. Landing. Thank you. Is that?
3/4.
3/4.
Stop.
There we go. Oh, it's about to get higher.
Do almost all.
I just know when to stop. Nope.
Okay, stop.
No, it's only a little bit more. So
Stop.
Yes. No. Wait, what? Yes. No.
Stop.
Yes. Now stir. La 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 la.
yeah, but now it's more liquid. It's going to go everywhere. You shouldn't.
Weeha! Flour? Wait, I think the balls can spin the table. Well, it won't work if you're cooking the table.
So we put the flour. In theory, you know, we should put also some cinnamon. Can I let you smell?
I don't think I want to put cinnamon.
He's the chef.
Wait, all of this flour?
Yeah, but a little bit by a bit.
This is a rock slide. A mountain. A quest of cooking. Now your hand's a bit white.
No, you're not going to be right.
Yummy flour. No! It's white as snow. Okay.
You want to tip your spoon? Can you do it? Ready to try it?
I'm too busy, maybe.
Mantieni con una cosa, non fare vedere tutto.
Because if you want to know, it's making cream.
Oh wow! You were very fast.
Yeah, I just did speed one.
You know, it has to be perfect. So I can put in your hand and it's not going to fall.
What is this?
You can want to make pizza. Let's do this.
Okay. Do the trick.
No.
Okay.
So it's
That's how you know whether it's ready.
What if it falls on your head by mistake?
Then it's not ready. And you're sticky.
So I want to look for the spatula. Here it is.
More like a candle or a spoon.
Okay, here's the other piece.
Thank you.
Okay. So now we fold them together, but because I would like a little bit with cinnamon, I transfer a little bit in here.
1/2.
Who wants with cinnamon? Just me?
Do you want with cinnamon? Cinnamon?
No, I'll have classic.
Okay. So
I'll taste one of you. I'll taste a bit of yours.
Add a little bit of cinnamon to mine. And you can fold.
Fold? What?
Yeah, with the folding.
No. Oh, yes? Yes.
Not all, because some of it is inside.
Look at us.
So you take it like that, folding. The trick with this one, let me put
Gently, you've got to be gentle, Flavio.
Otherwise you'll harm
Like
you.
imagine it's a baby guinea pig, okay? Yeah? You do it too rough, you'll kill the guinea pig.
When you do,
Gently.
you do like that. This is called folding, Flavio. Can you fold? No, folding.
Squeak, squeak. Okay.
From the bottom, down, up.
Did you
You know
add
why?
any salt?
You know why? We forgot the salt.
Do you know why, Flavio?
Because otherwise, you with this you put a lot of air in there. And when if you take away the air. Okay, so you only need to do from the bottom to the top.
You like taking my clothes before? Ow. It seems like you're using me as a set.
Yeah, you're part of it too. Can you do a little bit?
But gently. Remember
Gentle.
the
I
guinea
think it
pig.
will also-
Remember the guinea pig, Flavio.
Okay. Wait, how do you do it
There's
again?
And we've got a little bit of salt.
How do you do it again?
From the
Stir gently.
under, so you take it again.
Mm-hmm.
You go, I need to go under, I'm hiding. I'm swimming, I'm jumping. From the water, look, there is a tornado.
You actually seriously using me as
Show
a
me that you
set.
learn. From the bottom, go under.
Egg waffle maker, egg waffle maker. Egg waffle maker, egg waffle maker. This is an octopus, this is an octopus. I'm an octopus. Let me go back in the water. I'm an octopus, I'm an octopus, I'm an octopus.
Now try to do the same, but put actually some butter in there.
Ooh. An octopus, an octopus. I have butter. I'm an octopus.
Make sure that they are all in all the holes, otherwise it will stick. Like jumping from one hole to the other. Boom, boom. Middle, then a little bit of that, huh?
Can you help maybe?
You're doing well.
No, I'm not.
Only here. Only here. Yeah. Let me put it. Turn it. Twist it. It's good. It's already cooking. Okay, stop. It's enough. Can you move it away? Thank you. Okay, so let's close it. Close the waffle. Close, it's going to explode.
No, it's definitely heavy. Can we do it together?
Okay, ready? I have to get a plate.
Oh my word.
Let's see how the professional do.
I'm professional, right?
That's enough, that's too much.
That is greedy. He wanted big
Oh,
waffle.
there's too much actually, darn it. Oh. Oh dear.
No, it's good because sometimes you actually want a lot to stick
Now what
it
am I gonna
together.
Now I'm
Sometimes you want to look. To
Definitely
stick
are going
it
to clean the
together.
pan before mine is done.
Shall I do it?
Yeah?
Sometimes you want to.
It's going to spill everywhere. The overflowing method. Oh.
That was actually good.
Good.
So good.
Yeah.
So the finished product, Flavio, take the first bite. Tell me what you think.
Delicious.
What does Bear think? You've given him a bit. Good?
Yeah, it's good to him.
Yummy. Waffle.